Today we want to welcome you to the tour of the 2026 Forest River Cherokee Timberwolf 39NA, a destination trailer that combines residential luxury with rugged durability. Starting the walk around right here on the exterior, you'll immediately notice the massive 21-foot power awning that creates an incredible shaded patio space, paired with the Cherokee stable step with an oversized landing for safe and secure entry. The unit is built with exclusive interior ghost lights and an outside TV bracket so you can entertain right under the stars. A destination trailer that redefines luxury living with incredible space and residential comfort. As we dive into the specific features, you can see how the triple slide-out layout transforms the interior. Starting with the massive front living area, where dual opposing slides create a room for freestanding dinette, lounge chairs, and a front hide-a-bed sofa. All centered around a cozy fireplace. The kitchen is a chef's dream with a large island. High-end appliances, residential refrigerator, and a dedicated hutch and pantry for ample storage. Passing the convenient half bath located right by the entry, you move into the private bedroom, which offers a king bed on its own slide out to maximize floor space. Finally, the rear master suite bathroom is a true showstopper, boasting a vanity with dual sinks, a large shower with built-in seat, and a spacious wardrobe prepped for washer and dryer, ensuring you have everything you need for the extended stays.